What is up, guys? It is Alex Chiron, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove wrinkles from a photo in Snapseed. So Snapseed is a free app. Just download it and open a photo. So I have this photo here, and the two tools that we're going to be using are the portrait tool and the blur tool. So first, what we can do is go into our tools and select portrait. And what that is going to allow us to do is basically we can scroll up here to skin smoothing, and we're just literally going to scroll that to the right to, honestly, a lot of times you can just go all the way to 100. Honestly, I'm only going to go to about 62 or 70 here, and I'm just going to click the check mark. But the other thing that we can do is the blur tool. So we're going to go back into tools, and we're going to select lens blur, which is right here in the bottom right. And what we're going to do is basically drag the blur over to the side so that most of the face is blurry. And we're going to make the blur strength about 50 or 60, just enough to make the face very blurry. And what we're going to do is we're going to touch up that blur basically. So we're going to click the check mark here in the bottom right, and we're going to click the layers button on the top here. And then we're going to select view edits. And we're going to click lens blur, and we're going to click the edit icon. So what this is going to allow us to do is use the brush to basically selectively apply a blur to different areas. So we can basically touch up the wrinkles in that fashion. And I usually put the lens blur down to about 25 first, just to see what we're working with, and then we can gradually increase the strength of it. So I'm literally just tapping around on the subject's face here, and it's creating a slight blur, but it's kind of hard to see, so we can definitely go up to 50 here. And I am just dragging around on the subject's face, and that's even not doing a whole lot, so we can increase it a little more. So unfortunately, you don't have the option to undo, so just make sure you're careful with it, but you can, click the X and then just try again. But if you do make like a path that you're not pleased with, you can basically hit that X and just try again. And I'm just basically going to continue kind of tapping around here and just get that smooth look. And stick around for the finished product, and feel free to check in the description. I have a link to some fire merch. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Stick around if you want to see the final product. Peace.